Are you gonna launch?
Oh no, I'm just gonna try doing a donut.
Oh.
Should I be in slow mode for this?
Just what? I mean, you need a couple good ones.
The car was just like not moving. That was easy. I already cleared the path for you. You're in.
Oh, yeah.
That was on your tire. What's up guys? Today we are out at Angeles Crest doing a little snow photo shoot. We've actually been driving for like 100 miles now. And yeah, I haven't been filming, but yeah, we're just doing a little photo shoot. This is Evo's first time in the snow. First time doing donuts or trying donuts in the Evo. Are you gonna try it later?
Yeah.
Or
probably
now?
After you move.
I'll move now then. Okay. We're both running like our compound summer performance tires, so we get no grip here. This is not working.
I keep getting like rev hang.
All of our cars just like...
Just a shit ton of rev hang.
We're just spinning and not moving.
It's because it's icy, it's not snow.
Yeah, we're all on...
It's on
200 treadwear track tires too. Summer tires.
Yeah, our compound.
I'm on worn down Federals and you're on RE71s. Come on, show us the Subaru way. Duh!
The second you start...
There it is. Wait, turn your wheel to the left. Never mind. Ah! Ah! Whoa! Ah! Woo!
You're good whenever.
Okay.
Look at that cute car over there. Sheesh.
gonna see what happens.
Oh no! Are you stuck?
So slippery over here.
Are you stuck?
Oh no!
Wait, what happened? The Evo didn't get stuck?
I don't know what to do anymore.
Oh my god, look at this guy.
Mr. Canada, what do I do?
Try and rock it. Roll it back a little and then go forward. But we're probably gonna have to... Yeah, go forward now.
Damn it.
Oh, and he stalled. Man, this guy's doing everything he made fun of me for.
Oh,
He stalled again!
dude, that mound is huge. I'm in a deep hit. I can feel it.
Look at this.
Dude, what the fuck?
You gotta roll back and then come forward. Try and come out of it when you're rolling forward. Now come forward.
Those are rocks.
Yeah, we just gotta rock it.
I'm sliding.
Yeah, no, we have to rock your wheels.
Like what we did to yours?
Yep. Backwards.
I feel like I
Look
can
at how deep this is though.
back up.
Oh, it's packed. He's making it. He's doing it. He's doing the thing. Keep going. Keep going.
I check engine light, but anyway, I stalled. What the fuck? I was like, what's happening right now? I'm afraid I'm gonna like go into a rock here.
No, there's no... I'll tell you if you're gonna go into a rock.
Well, how do you know what's under the snow?
I mean, at least your sidewalls are big enough.
Can I go straight?
Try and come this way.
To the right?
Yeah.
Fast or slow?
I mean, don't go super fast. Yeah, like that. Perfect.
Yeah, Evo still gets stuck! That's right!
you did?
Yeah, just look.
I want to go.
Hold on, that's right. Evo didn't need to get pulled out.
Oh no.
Dude, my ABS was freaking out that entire time.
So
like it was like pulsating so hard. I'm an LA boy, so this is like new to me, seeing snow in my RPF ones.
Wow, flex. RPF ones.
What do you mean? Nice. You're on SSRs. So we just met a guy named Nick. We were talking to him for like a good maybe 20 minutes with his Cobra. Really nice guy, but we're just heading out of ACH. The road is super dirty, but this looks so sick. Like, this is so new to me. Like, I've never done this before at this time with the snow, and like, I don't know, it just looks so nice. It's so cool. And the crazy thing is, like, we're an hour and a half or so away from my house, so that means we're like 2 hours away from the beach, and like it's like 80 degrees at my house today, or gonna be like 78 at my house, and it's like 35 up here in the mountains right now. Oh my god. It got hot.
I got super hot, dude. You see that bike? He was getting so low.
Oh, the one in front of us?